In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change car insurance Progressive 2026. Step by step. If you need to update your Progressive auto insurance policy, the process is usually straightforward and you can do most of it online through the website or in the mobile app. The main thing to keep in mind is that even small policy changes can affect both your coverage and your monthly or total premium. So it's important to review everything carefully before you submit. Start by going to Progressive and logging into your account. You can do this on the official website or by opening the Progressive app and signing in there. Once you're in, look for your auto insurance policy so you're working on the correct account and policy details from the beginning. Next, go to the Manage Policy section. This is where Progressive lets you view your current policy and make updates. Select your auto policy, then choose the option that allows you to make policy changes. Depending on your setup, the wording may vary slightly, but the goal is to reach the area where you can edit your current coverage and personal details. From there, choose the changes you want to make. This could include adjusting your coverage limits, changing your deductible, adding or removing drivers, updating vehicles, changing your address, or editing other policy information. Take your time here, because each of these changes can affect what's covered and how much you pay. After entering your updates, review your updated quote. Progressive will automatically calculate how the changes impact your premium and your policy coverage. This is an important step because it helps you understand whether your payment will go up, go down, or stay about the same. Make sure the coverage still matches your needs and that you're comfortable with the updated cost. Once everything looks right, confirm your changes. Before submitting, double-check all the information for accuracy. Even a simple typo in a vehicle detail or address can cause issues later, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to verify everything. If your premium increases, you may be asked to pay the difference before the change is finalized. If the update lowers your premium, check whether Progressive applies that as a refund or as a credit toward future payments. Finally, download your updated policy documents, save your new declarations page and your insurance ID cards, and then make sure the changes appear correctly on